Welcome to the Deep Dive. This is where we take your curiosity, combine it with some fascinating sources you send us, and really get into the details.
Yeah, and today we're looking at something visually pretty spectacular, a galaxy.
Exactly. You sent us some great info, mainly from Hubble Space Telescope observations, about a galaxy that's, well, both beautiful and a bit strange. Our mission today is to figure out why.
We're talking about ARP 184. You might also know it as NGC 1961.
Okay, ARP 184. So, paint us a picture. What does Hubble show us?
Well, imagine a big spiral galaxy, lots of stars, bright center. But this one, it's lopsided.
Lopsided? How so?
It's got this one really, really prominent spiral arm. It's huge, packed with stars, almost looks like it's reaching out towards us.
Huh. Just one dominant arm. That does sound odd. Where is this galaxy?
It's way out there, about 190 million light years away.
Wow.
Yeah, and it's in a constellation called Camelopardalis. That's the giraffe. Maybe not one you hear about every day.
The giraffe. Okay, I like that. And the name, ARP 184, that sounds specific.
It is. It comes from the Atlas of Peculiar Galaxies, a catalog put together back in 1966 by Halton ARP.
An atlas of peculiar galaxies, so like a collection of the universe's weirdest hits.
Kind of, yeah. ARP gathered 338 galaxies that just didn't fit the standard mold. Not perfectly spiral, not smoothly elliptical.
What kinds of things were in there?
Lots of interacting galaxies, maybe ones merging, or just small, irregular dwarf galaxies. He was looking for clues about how galaxies change and evolve.
So ARP 184 earned its spot. What's its specific peculiarity then? Is it just that one big arm?
That's the main thing, yes. It's the asymmetry. You've got this incredibly wide, well-defined arm on one side.
Rich with stars?
Exactly. Probably lots of star formation happening there. But then on the other side, well, it's much fainter. Just some faint traces of gas, a few stars. Nothing like a matching arm. It looks really unbalanced.
And the Hubble image we're seeing, that amazing picture, it wasn't just one quick look?
No, It's actually stitched together from data collected by 3 different Hubble observing programs. They call them snapshot programs.
Snapshots, like quick photos.
Sort of. They're shorter observation periods designed to make the most of Hubble's time. And interestingly, one of those programs specifically targeted ARP 184 because it was peculiar.
Ah, so its reputation preceded it.
It did. It was listed in ARP's Atlas and also another similar catalog. Its unusual shape basically flagged it as, hey, look closer at this one.
So its looks are definitely part of the story, but I think I remember reading something else. Wasn't there talk of, like, explosive activity?
Absolutely. That's the other really fascinating part. ARP 184 is, well, kind of a hotspot for supernovae.
Supernovae, the huge star explosions.
The very same. They've recorded 4 confirmed supernovae in this one galaxy in just the last 30 years or so.
4 in 3 decades. That sounds frequent.
It is unusually high. It suggests something energetic is going on. Maybe lots of massive stars are forming and dying quickly.
And that ties back to the Hubble observations, too.
It does. The other 2 snapshot programs that looked at ARP 184 were actually designed to study the aftermath of transient events like supernovae.
Ah, okay. So the fact that it has so many supernovae made it a perfect target for that research, too. It's like a natural laboratory.
Exactly. You have this galaxy that's already interesting because of its shape, and then it turns out to be really active with these stellar explosions. It's valuable for studying both things. Perhaps that big dominant arm is churning out massive stars that then go supernova.
Right. So putting it all together, we've got this beautiful but clearly asymmetrical spiral galaxy. It's in the giraffe, way out there.
Yep, identified as peculiar decades ago by ARP.
And more recently, we've seen it's the stage for repeated dramatic supernova events.
Precisely. So ARP 184 really isn't just a pretty picture. It's this dynamic, evolving, slightly strange system.
It tells us a lot about how galaxies might form, maybe interact, and definitely about the life cycle of massive stars.
It really underscores the sheer variety out there in the universe. Not everything fits neatly into boxes.
It really makes you think, doesn't it? What could be driving all this? That asymmetry, the frequent supernovae. Could they be linked?
That's the big question, isn't it?
Maybe some past collision or interaction with another galaxy knocked it off balance, triggered a burst of star formation?
It's certainly possible. What forces shaped it this way and keep fueling these explosions? That's what astronomers are still trying to piece together. It just shows you. We look out with telescopes like Hubble, and the universe keeps showing us these incredible, sometimes puzzling sights. Makes you appreciate how vast and, well, strange it can be.